Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Wi-Fi turned on but no Wi-Fi network found in Windows 11 and 10 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all, right click on Start menu, then click on Device Manager, double click on Network Adapters, right click on Network Adapter, click on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers, then close this window. Again right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, double click on Network Adapters, click on Uninstall Device. After clicking Uninstall Device, click on Action, then click on Scan for hardware changes. After doing this, close this window, open your Windows settings, click on Network and Internet. Here little bit scroll down, then select here Advanced Network Settings, then click on Network Reset. In this you can see here Reset Now. Click on Reset Now. After clicking Reset Now, wait for some time, then close this window. Again right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, double click on Network Adapters, right click on Network Adapters, click on Properties. Here you select Power Management. You should enable or check first option, allow the computer to run off these devices to save power. Then click on OK. After doing this all method, restart PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way, fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.